You won't believe how much these taste like chocolate chip cookies. It's awfully quiet in there. Hey, Marina. Hey, Big Val. I can see the pantry from my living room. Everyone's out on an adventure, except Frida. Who knows what flavor she's cooking up with her magic. This is the quietest it's ever been. I did my makeup special today. I hope Aquaman notices us. Isn't he a doll? That's 2 cups of cake flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of kosher salt. Sift that all together. You can stir it around too to get it through. There's no right way or wrong way to sift. Bungledore stole my spaceship! She's got her clown hands on my cupcake thrusters. I let her chase us. I've got a cat gun and a craving for chaos. I'm coming for you, crud bombs! I just want to play tag with egg pie. And guess where I got the big one from? Then cream together half a cup of butter, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil will add moisture to these cupcakes. And beat in 2 eggs, one at a time. Beat it in, scrape the bowl. That's how it goes. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We bring it all together now. This is called the creaming method, by the way. Alternate in your dry and your wet. This keeps you from overbeating, but you don't want to do that because then it comes out like an old sea boot. Crud muffin. Baby. Hang 5. Or is it hang 10? Hang 9? Space traffic was wild today. Oh, honey, you just stepped into my groove zone. Fold in a cup of chocolate chips and scoop it evenly into 18 cupcakes. And then sprinkle more chocolate chips on top. How we got 2 more? I don't know. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Take those guppies out of there as soon as you can. It stops the baking. Pie. Clown. Doom. Ain't no jive on my planet, baby. Just vibes. Fiddlesticks! Well, hey there! I'm stuck in some kind of cosmic confetti catastrophe! Whoa! And this seafoam frosting is heat stable. The chips will melt first. Separate 3 eggs, and you only need the whites with this. And you can't get any yolk in it, any teeny bit of anything in there, or it won't whip up. Quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and a dash of kosher salt adds some depth to the flavor. Place this over hot water and you have a double boiler. We're using our metal mixing bowl because it doesn't retain heat as much as glass. Add in your corn syrup. If you nuke it for a few seconds, it helps pour all of it out. of the little cute container there. Whisk this until it reaches 160 degrees. This is kinda fun! Do it again! Hey, what else do we have? Balloons! Take this, Captain Bread Hook! What? Crapperoni! The balloon corn army is loose! Whoa! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! Cosmic curtain call! Sugar, you ain't ready for this razzle dazzle! All the sugar should be melted by then, and it only takes 10 minutes. Then, whisk to stiff peaks. Big Val loves doing this. This is how you know your meringue is ready. We're using a Wilton 1M here. And there's enough frosting to pile it high like a bakery cupcake. And decorate it with more chocolate chips. You can even toast it for a campfire chocolate chip cookie. By the black hole, what a spectacle! Yeehaw! Hey! Oh, I need a Seafoam frosting nap after that. Woo. Shine bright, strut right, and keep it funky, baby. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're pretty, 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 pretty. Ooh.